TikTok Shop is crushing Amazon right now, and it's a huge opportunity for anyone looking to sell products online. But given Amazon is such a powerhouse, which is the better platform for you to sell physical products on? In this video, I want to break down the TikTok Shop opportunity and go through what TikTok Shop is, why it's such a huge opportunity right now, how it compares to Amazon, and how you can use it to increase your sales. So TikTok Shop launched in the United States in September 2023. And in their first year, from September through to December 31st, 2023, they did $14 billion in sales. Just to compare that with Amazon, in their first year, they did $500,000 in sales, and it took them 5 whole years before they were able to hit their first $1 billion in revenue. Obviously, that was in the late 90s to early 2000s, but it just goes to show the power of social media right now and how many people are actually shopping online using interactive platforms like TikTok. So TikTok was already really popular. It had a huge audience globally, but now having introduced TikTok Shop to the American audience in September of 2023, it brings a whole new landscape to the e-commerce environment. Users can now buy products directly from the TikTok app. So you're watching a video on TikTok, someone's promoting or talking about a review on, let's say, a whiteboard. You have the ability to buy that whiteboard directly from the TikTok app and get it delivered to your house, which is a game changer, and it's changed the e-commerce world forever. Think back to those shopping channels you watch late at night where people are advertising and talking about products. Well, now you can buy it directly from your phone. All your information is preloaded and that product gets delivered to your house. Game changer. So now you know what TikTok Shop is, let's go into why I think it's one of the biggest opportunities for sellers out there right now. The first reason is because TikTok Shop fees are a lot less than Amazon. In fact, they are a mere fraction of the fees that Amazon would charge you. So TikTok Shop fees are about 5% on every sale that you make, compared to Amazon's fees, which are around the 20% mark. That basically means that you're able to make a much bigger profit margin selling on TikTok Shop than you are if you sell on Amazon. That means more profit back in your pocket and the ability to scale a lot quicker because you're making more money and more profit per unit. Not only that, but with Amazon, a lot of the lower ticket products that you see being sold for under $15 or $10 don't make sense because the Amazon FBA fees are so high. However, with TikTok Shop, because the fees are a lot lower ticket products work really, really well. And there's a core audience of users who are willing to purchase lower ticket products from TikTok Shop, so those work really, really well. Think Temu type products, they work really well on TikTok Shop. So that opens a whole new landscape and a whole new area of profitability for sellers who are using the TikTok Shop app. Not only do these lower ticket products open a whole new landscape for sellers, but they also tend to be high velocity products. These are products that sell sometimes in the thousands every single day on the TikTok Shop app. So there's a whole new area that you can explore if you're a seller, where you can sell low ticket products and make a lot of money doing it with decent margins. Unlike with Amazon, they're going to charge you an arm and a leg and make it not profitable for you to sell lower ticket items. The next huge reason is that TikTok Shop already has an affiliate program and an affiliate platform, and they make it really easy for you to collaborate with people who are already making content on the app to their audience, who are trusted by their audience and whose audiences do already buy from them. TikTok Shop have it completely integrated with their Seller Central platform, and they make it really easy. And you get analytics on all of the creators that you want to work with. So you can search creators who have made the most money in the past 30 days. You can search for creators who have the most sales per 1,000 views. And you can really drill down into looking at the stats of creators and decide which creator that you want to work with. There's 2 ways in which you can outreach to creators. You can either get TikTok Shop to suggest creators and outreach to them on your behalf, or you can actually shortlist creators and manually outreach to them. You can also send a customized template or a letter to creators, basically telling them why they should work with you and the benefits of working with you, commissions you offer, and you can set different commissions, etc. Once a creator has decided to collaborate with you, all you then need to do is send them a sample of your product. They get the sample, receive it, and they start making videos promoting your product. As soon as they make a sale, you get a notification within your Seller Central app. They get paid commissions and you bank the sale. The third reason is that TikTok Shop actually have their own fulfillment centers around the country as well. So just like Amazon has FBA and they fulfill on orders, handle all the shipping, packing, picking, storing, etc., TikTok do exactly the same thing, and they have fulfillment centers around the country, which means that you can actually start a TikTok Shop business and really scale it, even if you're a small team or even if you're a one-man band. The reason why this is amazing is because TikTok Shop's fulfillment and storage fees are a lot less than Amazon's, a fraction of the price, which again means that if you're sourcing and selling lower ticket products that are sub $15 or sub $10, think Temu type products, you'll be able to sell them for a profit, even if you decide to go down the fulfillment route and use TikTok Shop to fulfill on your orders and store all of your product. That massively helps you when it comes to scaling your TikTok Shop business. And the final reason why TikTok Shop is such a huge opportunity is that running ads on TikTok Shop is completely optional. Unlike Amazon, where you launch a product and if you don't run ads, if you don't run PPC, no one is going to see your product and you're not going to get any sales, you're not going to get any traffic. With TikTok Shop, because it works largely on an organic basis and TikTok is still actively pushing organic content, You don't need to have PPC ads running. You don't need to be running any ads. You can make your sales purely from organic videos created by your affiliates. Another cool thing you can do within TikTok Shop is you can take the creatives that were made by your affiliates and you can actually then repost those same creatives to your main account, either through an organic video, or you can use those same creators if they perform really well and that creator or that affiliate got loads of sales. You can then use that same video to push through an ad, which has basically already been tested through the creator's organic platform. So with TikTok Shop, you can test and scale a lot more easily and a lot more cheaply compared to the Amazon platform. So we've heard the facts and the reasons why TikTok Shop is a great opportunity, but how does it actually compare to Amazon right now in 2024? So first of all, there is overall less customers coming to TikTok Shop than there are to Amazon, but obviously Amazon has been around so much longer, and people that come to Amazon are direct customers who are ready to purchase. People that come to TikTok are there to be entertained primarily first, and secondly, if they're in the mood, they will purchase the product if there's enough motivation. Just for the record, Amazon gets 2.2 billion visitors every single year across their global platform. TikTok Shop is just a fraction of that at the moment, but it's massively increasing, it's massively scaling, and people are coming to TikTok Shop, more people are finding out about it, it's gonna get rolled out to different countries around the world, and people are gonna soon realize and wake up to the fact that they can buy products directly from their favorite creators' videos. I think all that's needed is a slight shift in people's mindsets, and them coming to terms with the fact that they can buy products through TikTok, be a little bit more trusting, and see the entire ecosystem for what it is. People come onto Amazon, they look at the reviews against different products, and they do trust it, and it helps with their buying decision. However, TikTok Shop does have a review system and a review program, but it's not trusted the same way Amazon is. A lot of people might think that those reviews are faked, which absolutely happens on Amazon, by the way. But because TikTok Shop is newer, there's not that much credibility behind it, and people don't always buy into the reviews that are given against the products. So in that scenario, reviews are important, but they're not the be all and end all, because people ultimately will trust creators that they vibe with, that they trust, and that they resonate with. Another thing which Amazon has going for it is better analytics. As a seller, you're able to really dive down into the different analytics when it comes to your product. You can look at what keywords are really working for you on the ad side. You can look at how many sessions people are having against your product. You can go into the Amazon brand analytics. You can use third-party tools like Sniper Insights to really dive down into the data behind products before you make a buying decision. So on the analytics side, I think Amazon has that locked and boxed at the moment. With TikTok Shop, there are third-party apps. There is a basic level of analytics that you can do on the site itself, but it's just not in the same place as Amazon right now when it comes to really diving down into the data that sits behind your products and making decisions based on that data. Inside TikTok Shop, you could make a brand new account with a new product, and from day one, you could have a video that goes viral that generates thousands of dollars in revenue. The same just can't be said for Amazon, and a lot of the times when you launch on the Amazon platform, you have to pump hundreds of dollars into ads just to get any traction on your product. Because no one sees your product, you're gonna be all the way on page 50. You need to run ads to get yourself to page 1 so that people can start seeing you. You get eyeballs on your page and you get conversions with sales. So again, if you're a beginner with not a lot of capital to spend on your online business, TikTok Shop is attractive because not only that, but you can source and sell lower ticket products and still make a decent profit. And if you're planning to use Amazon to fulfill on those orders, you can use the Amazon's multi-channel fulfillment service to fulfill on any TikTok Shop orders that you get so that you don't have to hold inventory at both sites. But there's something you should be wary of if you're looking to migrate your products over to TikTok Shop, and that's do the product research before you migrate your products over. Just because a product sells well on the Amazon platform doesn't automatically mean that that same product is going to sell well on TikTok. In my personal experience, products that are higher ticket don't tend to do well on the TikTok Shop market, and the products that seem to do well are the ones that are priced below $15. People on TikTok are looking for a bargain because that's what the marketplace is absolutely flooded with. So if you're selling higher ticket products, just be aware that those customers might not buy those types of products. Another great point, which I touched on earlier, is the fact that you can have your affiliates make videos for your TikTok Shop products, and you can take those same videos and use them to promote your product on several different platforms. You can go to YouTube and run YouTube ads, you can do Google ads, you can run Facebook ads, and you can take those same creators and use them on Amazon to build out the number of videos you have on your product listing. So to wrap this video up, TikTok Shop is creating a brand new environment and landscape for sellers and buyers. People can come to TikTok, look at videos from their favorite creators, and buy products directly from the TikTok Shop app. So it makes it a lot easier for consumers, and they can buy into the trust and reputation that the creators that they follow have. I don't think TikTok Shop could compete with Amazon right now. Amazon is a huge platform that has a lot of reputation, it's been around for years, but they're absolutely changing the landscape for buyers and sellers alike. And I can't wait till they become a big deal in the e-commerce space, maybe eventually challenging Amazon for that e-commerce crown. If you want something a bit more in depth, we have a complete 4-hour step-by-step tutorial. You can check it out over here. And as always, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.